In this video, we explain the unit step signal, one of the most important and widely used signals in the Signal and System course. The definition of the unit step is that for positive time it's equal to 1 and for negative time it's equal to 0. If we also want to draw its shape, it will look like this. For positive value of t it's 1 and for negative time it's 0. For example, suppose they give you the signal for ut minus 2 and ask you to draw it. If you pay attention, here the unit step has been shifted 2 units to the right and its amplitude is 4. Therefore, for t value greater than 2, it will be equal to 4, and for t values less than 2, it will be equal to 0. If you also look at the u minus t, it's exactly the same as the unit step of t, except that for negative t, it is equal to 1, and for positive t, it's equal to 0. Another point is that the derivative of the unit step is equal to the unit impulse. If you pay attention, the unit step has constant values, so if we take its derivative, it will be 0. And only at 0 do we have a jump. This jump appears in the form of an impulse. You can see the shape of the impulse signal here. And in the previous video on this channel, we explained the unit impulse signal in detail. And I have placed its link up here. Now suppose they give you a signal xt is equal to 2ut minus 1 minus ut plus 2, and they ask you to draw it. To do this, we first draw 2ut minus 1, which is a signal that starts at time 1 and has an amplitude of 2. Similarly, minus ut plus 2 starts at time minus 2 and its amplitude is minus 1. Now we add these two signals together. For times less than minus 2, it's completely 0. For the interval from minus 1 to 1, its value is minus 1. And for times greater than 1, it will be equal to 1. Now the next point is this. Suppose they give you the signal yt in this form and ask you to write it in terms of the unit step. To do this, you start from the left, and at any time where you have a jump, you will definitely have a unit step. Here, if we start from the left at time t equal to -4, we jump from -3 to +2, which is a jump of 5 units. So the corresponding step is written 5u t plus 4. From -4 to 3, we don't have any jump. At time 3, we have another jump. If we look at the amplitude, we go from +2 to -5, which means a change of -7. So the corresponding step is written -7 ut -3. The next point is the Fourier transform of the unit step signal, which is equal to 1 divided by j omega plus p delta omega. The next point is an integral that is used a lot in signal and systems. This is the integral of xt ut dt. Here, the integral is from -infinity to +infinity. But if you pay attention, since the unit step is 0 for negative t, you write the integral from 0 to +infinity. The unit step is equal to 1, and finally the integral becomes the integral xt from 0 to +infinity. These were some points about the unit step signal. If this video was useful for you, you can follow our other videos related to signal and system on channel.